Right, fantastic morning. Mabusia Yasam Wakwaba. Oshe Badwam Adom TV. So I'm Rasha. We can see Monsem na ya chene kufu na yade ebrewe. Kejuana kasani Erika siedu bwedi. And semaniana dosu. There's a fatasa watina na pay ya chene kufu na yade ebrewo sa. And Shanason Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Kingdom eba for the Badwam so kitaimu anopena yade sabno yade ebrewo immune system no netimi ekitabode no yare bia entimi ento enshawoso eno habetimi ejana na so na Kingdom Garlic Bitters na capsules and of course Jensen Power Capsules na de enim na enim anopa no anadwe so kan ehwe nanim tutumi say Jensen na power count na ba bia we bema Mansan count Jensen Power Capsules and of course tremendous capsules here man dia Badwam ba wasisi hu ye ni tipa ne ade a 10:07 so is yet here makwe kan wona dey samna bro Richoko and pay start the day well Richoko for and so kan wona ye dey samna dey bro we be start breakfast bia benum bia no say Richoko gamepackgames.com pick 1 and pick 4 9 o'clock, 12 and 6 p.m. 3 chances now in a day. So it's me this Kadiago bottom monte. Kwambia so 1 number and I say 4 numbers. Which me a this Kadiago bottom 39 numbers. Easy. 39 numbers. We 4 we 1 room. No disca. Umpe per the weekend in here. Fahujim nipan sare. Yes. Now. Yamwakwaba, Sergio Manucho Bernard Paribuche, Yami producers, Kejuana Kasane, Erika Siedu, Bwedi, Meshasiere Fi, the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Now, after poor showing, our Comoros, pressure now started mounting or Chris Hutton. So the Renal started Bob coaches biddings, one mumra, me and Sansaka 1 month to the AFCON. About World Cup qualifier be more in June, but when I did AFCON or Chris Hutton, the Brena Egidio ni Munasa. Obey the Aquana, so it's been fair. Have you Rena Dia Chasse Boba, Rena Sodianco and Juma, France Motum or Badwam Palma no Gusuki Tamoni and the Abanama for Secadi, or the Ome Fan Cop. AFCON, we are on Concoya and Martin Air France. The Gusu group, I heard the Ghana Football Association, but Augustina him for former player in my Black Stars, former national legend, or not to Chris Hutton 70.
I was a football and sports in general, no be our dream, but technical point of view, I don't think it will be the best thing to because between now and Nations Cup, it's just 1 month in between. I mean, what there.
Yeah.
And so you can take the risk by relieving him of his position. But I don't think that is where we have to subscribe to. There is still more room to be able to know, say, decisions, especially when it comes to the picking of the players for the matches. We have spoken a lot about the selection, the call-ups. Now, no, it is picking of the players. No. Kumasi say, Osha, you bought 2 defensive midfielders. And it was until Majid came on, and it was a game, no assessor. Me, Maka all the time, I saw today in America, that Kumasi there, I don't subscribe to say, and I say, Ghana, let me put that way. I don't subscribe to say, 2 DMs. No. We need to be a bit offensive.
Right. And so I know you're guessing I am for area to it. And I am copying more the Champions League, the CAF Champions League, media, my sporting club. I know because I'm touch it down when Lali na dear Pim so Nyasam Ketwakra, and your person in Chelsea, or Mufigan and I Konokeke, and they CAF recognize the media for say Quambia so media for my idea. Say, Champions League, more fam Homania Konosa, Jenny or media for to say yes, some more corner, one from Mama could do. Now in Kerfi, Kero Eba HSA, Bibia the D, Prebia Emma Camp, and Coach Avansado Tashebo, say on him Rantero, every time I saw Badwam, not Bibi Etime, Akoye, and so the amount of my Ghana. Cheber say, Omo Quaquatio, mine anymore, Nabi Bietime Akoye, Saturday. Now, Mediama Force on and Semon, or my first training, our Carol, and I need to with my copy more Carol now. So, I'm and Yam Wine, Tishan and Swami, Mediama, give me your china against Lali. Now, I know at Tanchaya, Yankopio, our Dreams FC. Dreams FC is also Jina Kono, the Confederation Cup. I'm going to Basso on Sunday. Tiberson and so on, Sambesi Ako, Dreams Force Washabo, administrative manager, Menu Shadow, and in some more 2 gas. I can be a sono, the Kanka Kono Ghana, your slots and Africa, Yatasono. ogidi se womo ene betumi akwa adwuma na yasanye 4 slots the back enti kwa mo kwi no Ghana franc ano mo kita ne sa enti nya gro no mo ko Club Africain and a day airpem on Sunday at 1 p.m. and am de ma de no chana 7 p.m. ti egusu de akire hwe de won sam ebesi akọ chane so live commentary ewo Adom FM ne Asempa FM so enti ya na wahwe na wate e bi ehu de yakoso ewo obi man so ti two teams ni na ekọ away. I'm first game, so I'm away. Near rest, I'm by a group stage. Until we see a UFM group stage matches. No, I'm going to heard about topic group. I qualify for the next round of the competition. To cash and so FMI. Now the Ghanaian Premier League, twice this weekend. And yes, I'm getting to Accra. Took Western and Chinese City. Match J12. Now, how's the folk? Away, but almost second. We have home games. Don't beat me about our Accra Sports Stadium, but. Penny-4 on the NSC and then some more buses say there had to folk phone to be more home games our Accra Sports Stadium. You understand? Say bring your everybody no. Yeah, the park and eba concert into somewhere. I'm probably from more borrow. I'm there. I'm for you trouble the NSC near but you go see the actually the Akaka corner to folk home games no. I'm say obi my so Kumasi and Omokakusi akai. So many baby Omokakusi ni keep coast to almost some from Kumasi, more bar, Wakusi said, or measure na Bibia Timakuyi, ewo, Kumasi, as I say Kumasi, home ground, so no. Now, I'm a fan of Saja, on Bending. Macau say a kingdom, Heba, 4 kingdom garlic bitters on the Kenwa, and in summer at the air brewer. Sansona, new kingdom Jensen Power Capsules, new Kaupa, not just a fufro. It's a new account pa na a fufro, the new kingdom Jensen Power Capsules, and here men only way or bar, Patron Konumbi. Madru, new kingdom just power capsules and American for the amount and annual pay, and of course tremendous capsules and manager and a first kingdom home states. No to say yes, Cecilia kingdom home estates. Will be a better than almost half an so at the Adom when Yasia and Yasam Ketuakra. It's a young corner, the Ecoso a basketball will say multimedia group limited, multimedia for Yane a penny for Ake and Thomas Yanitri. Sakwambia so yehwe aboa na bibia tima koyi ewo basketball mu and okokopia na the 2023 Africa Basketball Festival baso anya sanketo akwa na press conference ro na akoso amia passa adwumadie no ho entoma from the 15th to the 17th of December and baso the Bukum Boxing Arena eti egusu de ekse hwede besi akopa but omo any multimedia na partnership Mr. Joshua Tigo, program director at my Adom FM no with my multimedia. Or Chim, the my partnership.
To pass through and get the opportunity of being selected so they can perform there. So it's going to be very competitive. We've done collaborations with Jao in the past. When we've done a Kasahara Champions League, we've come to the list to do a number of events, and that is the reason we feel that the time is right for us to take it international, and so this we think is a perfect time to do so. But aside just giving the people the opportunity to come and perform for us to select them, because we have some very seasoned rap experts who get to help us in this selection process. One of the things we'll also be doing is helping to publicize this event as much as we can. And so you will see that on our platform, we'll be helping our colleagues from G.
Right, and then some Joshua Tigo program director to my family to Jana Yao Sachi, and the brain behind Sajmadia basketball Kosugina, what in some Kakra to Ja Echrimu on the right sports of 4 penny pa. Watch him on the Jumadia by.
Players from Ghana get to see, they get to taste a different kind of basketball, because if you have a team coming from the UK, they grow, they see competition, and so it will definitely impact on the standards of basketball in Ghana, no doubt about it. For me, beyond even the players, it increases the basketball awareness. Basketball, look, we're live on TV, we have a lot of media people here. What are we talking about? We're talking about Africa Basketball Festival. So basketball continues to be in the trends in terms of popularity, in terms of visibility for it, and in terms of also encouraging the players to know that there's something they can look forward to every year in December, that whilst other people are attending music programs, there will be other people also coming to watch a basketball program and just expose them. we are also excited about the potential of some scouts attending this festival. I already mentioned that we are in conversation with some scouts to see if they will begin to, put this on their calendar every December. Come.
Right, and on there, they also cheated the two twenty. Be this answer, I'm here. Send a call music, fashion, and basketball. Yakabo, me and San Countryman Songo. Now the Songo stick at the Abrianano pay. The man, Patrick Osajman. Countryman Songo to me, Canano pay, and a Songo stick at the NASH. Hello, Countryman Songo. Well, yes, say you're connected to Songo. Na yahwɛ the Songo stick at the brain. The Ghanaian Premier League na make sure Adriana Stars and Accra Lions neighbor so Atramane Pando Hearts of Lions some are testing RTU and Bichim United and so age number 9 so don't be BN Gold Stars at the ball and knee to wait the match say Baswa egusu di exhwɛ and some so be see akɔ ɛno ne Karoko games ne also for games na no ye na ye the one some at the abroad to cash and so and so F my egusu connected say bit makopimu our Countryman Songo ho but Shaneson said EPL is back, La Liga is back, and of course okopiemu wo Serie A so about Bundesliga and so bounce back to Channel so after say the PBR no yemfa kam here one stand be problem we say na eko ehwase ne match ten be na ehwase ne okopiemu e La Liga ne wo mo kaka ho bi ani abre epese otimi chane bobre pa na the big game in England the Man City and Liverpool game one basso the ndia anya sam keto akra se no ne se ne sam no City a e bro ene anopa ye. And I want some more on Patro GamePackGames.com can want to pay in some idea, bro. Gamepack Games there. It's almost funny. I started cry. Since I don't know most come with the weekend, no feel it. Almost come with the feel it. GamePackGames.com. Na me boy me na say. Skies ga. My phone dey pick 1 pick 4 na wudi e dey go bottom. Na oko Play Store. Is that oko Play Store yeah. Play Store. Ba now them. Na about Gamepack Games na ayaba no download na de bia utwa bi so na okom website gamepackgames.com website also with my twa na what the adi na sika busa ande na me de iskaria mepe one mpiska on piska me de piska tano ne sane sabne so isiate na no pay na ehwase with my connected to Countryman Songo ewo Songo stick so and na no pay na ya share Songo ewo ede emine and anopay and you so hwe say Countryman Songo temenka and Songo stick dia na ye hwe. I'm saying that the fidine ya juma to be a fidine sa lata mwemwe na the fidine ya lata mwemwe pa but me we ma ko bo me breakfast and richoko di jayo na waje obro epacho anopa slice nye brodo be si no amia na bi slice no kan richoko na ngase mu odu dada no matter say wa no bibi and na nwenu no ahye mu ma be no anya sam keto akra no na so aka ho na ede sam na bro so Game Pack Games Richo Code of course Kingdom about 4 Kingdom Galactic Bitters Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules tremendous capsules and what can one pay na ya sam na de bre wo we can see so we bedwam so and anopay ya do be see na mo mana your birthday nana ya kunadu entipadazi and then kwala aba Nana ya kunadu intipadazi and then mami aso TV no down no 1 and 9 yes adepa eba no adepa o multi TV ne ba na na odi ne birthday Nana ya kunadu intipadazi o papa na o mami so mo wish you a happy birthday am say nyi na be panipa na empa bo mo bagu so no ne ma papa mo wish for you no eni nyina embre mu na Ghana nyina enya so emfa so kwatenten and mosre eti amona na ya kunadu intipadazi happy birthday going now to you. You imagine so na ye see ene anopai. Keju ran kasani Eric Kasiedu body. Because what have you